Welcome back to Biomandscape. Now we are going to know a beautiful flower that is the 4 o'clock plant or Mirabilis delapa. So Mirabilis delapa, it is a unique flower. It shows unique floral behavior. The flower usually remain closed during the day, but as afternoon sets in around 4 p.m. they open and remain so throughout the night. So by the flowering following morning they close again. So this rhythmic opening and closing of flower in response to the environmental cues such as the light and temperature, it is known as Nyctaginaceae. So habit and distributions of the 4 o'clock plant, it belongs to the family Nyctaginaceae, the same family of Bougainvillea, and it is native to tropical South America, particularly Peru. That's why it is known as the marble of Peru. Then, although a perennial herb, it is often cultivated as an annual in temperature climate. Typically, it grows up to 2 to 3 feet in height, and it is developing a bushy and spready herb. The vegetatively, the plant possesses a tube root system. So it has a swollen root which allow the plant to survive in adverse conditions, making it an excellent example of perennation. So the stem is herbaceous with young but may become slightly woody at the base with the age. So it is erect, green and branch. So leaves are simple, opposite and ovate with entire margin, exhibit a clear venation. So they are bright green and rather fleshy, contributing to the plant's attractive appearance. Coming now to the reproductive character, the floral appearance, inflorescence is to be seen in a involucre bracts, which is surrounded by the involucre of bracts, and interestingly, this involucre often mimics a calyx, giving the flower an unusual appearance. Like each flower is bracted, actinomorphic, that is radially symmetrical, bisexual, and hypogynous in conditions. So it consists of a perianth. It is composed of 5 tepals which are fused to form a beautiful funnel shape, bright colored structure. Here it is important to note that the plant does not possess a typical calyx and corolla. Rather, it has this undifferentiated perianth. And the endoecium consists of 5 stamens which are often exerted and attached to the perianth tube. So the gynoecium, it is a monocarpellary and with a superior ovary containing a single ovule. So we know the floral formula, it is given here. Then fruits and seed. The fruits is in indehiscence nut characterized by black and wrinkle. One of the most important botanical feature of Mirabilis delapa is that the seed store its food in the perisperm, which is persistent nucleus, and not in the endosperm as in most other angiosperm. So the distinction make the species particularly significant in botanical studies. So the special features of this particular plant is perisperm instead of endosperm in the seed, and heterostylous, where the flower may occur with style of different length, promoting cross-pollination. Polychromatism, that means the single plant may bear flowers of various color like yellow, pink, red, white, and even variegated forms. So sometimes 2 colors within the same flower can be seen. Then economic importance is that it is an ornamental plant. It have an ornamental value, and its vibrant fragrant flower that is used in perfume, and traditionally it has been employed in folk medicines like the root as a mild purgative and diuretic, and the leaf for the treatment of inflammation. Additionally, the flower yield natural dyes that are sometimes used in food and textile.